nature walk. This week I'm going to ask my friends to do a nature challenge. What that entails is when you're in your backyards or out and about in your neighborhoods, a way to collect some things found in nature. So right now I have a little basket, and if you can see inside, I'm just collecting some rocks, and I'll put some other things in there. And what we're going to do is you're going to take a list of your sight words that we've done so far, the 15 popcorn words that we have, and you're going to spell those popcorn words, any ones that you want. You can pick one or two or as many as you want, and you're going to spell them with the items that you find. So I'm going to do that when I get inside, when I'm done my walk, and I'm going to spell them with those items that I found, and I will post them for you to see. And then I'm going to see how many of my friends can write or create as many popcorn words as they can with the items they find in nature. So it's going to be a fun little challenge that we'll do this week, and hope you guys enjoy it as well as I will. And I can't wait to see all of your creative nature popcorn words. Okay, take care. Bye guys.